Hello, I've got this great hand watering spray attachment for my hose. It's made by Pope and it delivers a nice sort of soft spray of water onto my plants, and it's also got an on-off trigger. And now the on part comes on very easily, but the switching it off no longer works. So today I'm going to show you a simple way to get the off part of the trigger working, to switch this spray unit off. So what's supposed to happen is you press that orange lever in, and then the spray unit automatically switches off. So today I'm just going to show you a simple solution, which is to hold in the orange lever, push in your finger, and then release both your hand and the finger, and it switches off. And see that one more time. Let's hold the orange switch in, push up there with your finger, press up hard, and release both hand and your finger at the same time, and then the spray automatically switches off. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.